Here it is. The 2018 Volkswagen Atlas, midsize family SUV, Volkswagen. The 2018 Volkswagen Atlas is a German take on the American family hauling SUV. Volkswagen Atlas 8 or Volkswagen Atlas SE test car, Hollis Johnson. Editorial note: Business Insider will name its 2017 Car of the Year on November 14, based. Here's a closer look at the new 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. The Atlas is the biggest, boldest, and most tech-packed VW on the market. And it's the automaker's first three-row midsize product. It has the room to haul families in comfort and the features to coddle them. But it does all this in a simple, intuitive way. It's blocky and angular like many American SUVs as well, and it's even built in cattle country, Tennessee, so it may come from a German company. But the Atlas feels about as American as apple pie. That's a good thing, by the way. What's new? Almost everything. The Atlas is an all-new vehicle for the 2018 model year. But it's not a complete stranger. That's because the crossover is built atop the same scalable MQB platform that underpins everything from the VW Golf to Czechoslovakia's Škoda Kodiaq. Much of the Atlas equipment, such as the basic infotainment system and engine choices, can be found in other VW products, but options like the digital cockpit instrument cluster are debuts for the brand. Trim levels and features. The Atlas offers 6 trim levels: the SS launch model, SE, SE with Tech, SEL, and SEL Premium, and they range in price from $30,500 all the way up to almost $50,000. The base model includes a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that produces 235 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, and it sends that power to the front wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission. Standard features are quite nice for an entry-level choice, and they include a 6.5-inch touchscreen, LED headlights, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto.